Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you can color grade on CapCut. So first of all, you start out by choosing your video to import into CapCut, then explore and navigate the adjust panel to see important basic features like brightness, contrast, saturation, temperature, U, and S curves such as these one. Brightness, well, in order to tweak your brightness, you need to make sure to correct under or overexposure. Contrast, on the other hand, allows your video to have more or less punch than usual, as you can see from the display panel. Saturation boosts the colors of your videos, but do not overdo it, as using too much saturation gives unnatural colors. Highlights, meanwhile, controls the bright spots and certain shadows. This allows you to recover dark details or darken bright ones, thus balancing your base look. Temperature allows you to make your clip either warmer with a yellow or orange color or much colder with a bluish tint. Now, let's talk briefly about the S-curve. These options allow you to strip shadows for a more bluish and cinematic look, or warmer golden tones. It comes in four colors. First we have BL, we have RD, GRN, and WH. And finally, we have keyframing. This allows you to gradually or abruptly change the tone and or mood of your video by giving important shifts to your clips. And here are the results of those minor changes. And as you can see, we helped improve the mood of the video despite adding simple adjustments. That's color grading in CapCut. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.